Hi Bearcats, today we're going to talk about choosing a topic. When choosing a topic, you need to start at the end by asking yourself the following questions. What are you interested in? What careers are you interested in pursuing? And what strengths do you have that will make you successful in this area? One of the main goals of the PACE program is to choose a topic that is meaningful and interesting to you. At the beginning of your senior year, your teacher will take you through a series of inventories and surveys that will hopefully help to move this process along for you and help you choose a topic. So there are four main types of projects that you could choose from. There's a volunteer-based project where you volunteer your time helping out something that you're passionate about, an organization or whatnot. There is a product-based project where you create a product of some sort. This could be carving your own surfboard, etc., etc. There's a performance-based project where you learn how to play an instrument, dance, do something that is that you'll end up performing at the end of the year. And the final one is an outside education course where you take a course in the field of study that you're interested in at a college, at the community center, etc., etc. A few other items to remember are that your research paper and your project must connect in some way. It does not have to be a direct connection, however, it does need to connect. For example, if you're deciding to take guitar lessons and learn how to play the guitar for your project, then your research paper can be anything having to do with music. For example, some students have done a research paper on music therapy, for example, and they've learned to play the guitar. This is a close enough connection that this is a valid project for us. All topics, though, are subject to approval by your teacher and also the board judges. Another thing you have to think about is your learning stretch. Learning stretch is essentially how is this new learning for you or taking you above what you already know. If you have some background in the project that you've chosen, you have to show how this is going to be a new project for you. If you have zero experience in this topic or very little, then the learning stretch is built in for you because everything you do is new learning. There are 4 different types of research papers that you can choose from. They include a cause and effect paper, a problem solution, a compare and contrast, and an exploratory paper. These type of papers give you the opportunity to provide great analysis about the topic that you've chosen. There are 3 that we do not allow, which are a history of, a how-to, and a biography, due to the fact that you really cannot provide any analysis with these type of topics. The final thing that you need to think about is your mentor. Mentors are often the hardest piece of the puzzle when choosing your project because you need to find somebody that's willing to work with you in the field that you've chosen. They essentially sign off hours, they make sure you're doing the job correctly, and just make sure that you have everything you need to be successful in the topic that you've chosen. The one requirement for mentors is that they must be at least 25 years old and are not an immediate family member, just due to conflict of interest. They may be a teacher on campus, but ideally they should be somebody that is right there with you working on your hours every single day.